Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ez, and today we are going to explore a critical financial tool that not only drives business growth but also fosters a sustainable future: green bonds. Our focus will be on understanding how these bonds strategically motivate companies to maintain strong ESG scores, thereby driving sustainable growth. Let's begin with the basics. What are green bonds? Simply put, green bonds are debt securities issued to finance projects that deliver positive environmental or climate benefits. This could range from renewable energy initiatives to carbon reduction projects or even efforts to improve energy efficiency. Essentially, they represent a commitment to a more sustainable future. The rising importance of ESG scores. In today's business landscape, companies are increasingly evaluated on their environmental, social, and governance (ESG) performance. A strong ESG score is not just a badge of honor, it's an indicator of how effectively a company is managing sustainability, risks, and seizing opportunities. Investors and stakeholders are paying close attention to these scores as they decide where to allocate their resources. How green bonds and ESG performance intersect. But how do green bonds intersect with ESG performance? The connection is both direct and powerful. Issuing green bonds incentivizes companies to improve their ESG practices, ensuring that the projects financed by these bonds meet high sustainability standards. This alignment between financial incentives and ESG goals is where the real value of green bonds lies. Access to capital at favorable terms. For companies with strong ESG scores, the benefits of issuing green bonds are substantial. One of the most significant advantages is access to capital at more favorable terms. Investors who prioritize sustainability are often willing to accept lower returns in exchange for supporting responsible business practices, which can lead to reduced borrowing costs for the company. Enhanced reputation and brand value. Moreover, issuing green bonds can significantly enhance a company's reputation and brand value. Being perceived as a sustainability leader not only boosts customer loyalty but can also elevate the company's market valuation. It's a powerful way to position your brand as forward-thinking and socially responsible. Regulatory and compliance benefits. From a regulatory perspective, strong ESG performance can help companies stay ahead of increasingly stringent requirements. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of penalties and aligns with long-term strategic planning, providing a buffer against future regulatory changes. Operational efficiency and risk management. Green bond-funded projects also tend to enhance operational efficiency and reduce risk. Whether through energy savings or improved resource management, these projects often align well with investor expectations, leading to a more stable and efficient business model, boosting investor confidence. All these factors contribute to one of the most critical outcomes: boosting investor confidence. Strong ESG scores and green bond issuances are clear signals of a company's commitment to sustainable, forward-thinking practices, which in turn supports stock stability and long-term growth. Green bonds as a catalyst for sustainable strategy. In essence, green bonds are much more than just a financing tool. They act as a catalyst for sustainable corporate strategies, encouraging companies to focus on long-term value creation that benefits both the business and the environment. The future of green bonds and ESG integration. As we look to the future, the integration of green bonds and strong ESG practices will only become more crucial. Companies that lead in these areas will not only attract more investment, but will also build resilience in a rapidly changing market landscape. To sum up, green bonds are not merely financial instruments, they are strategic tools that align business success with sustainable practices. The question now is your company leveraging them to their full potential? I encourage you to join the conversation. How is your company integrating ESG practices and green bonds into its strategy? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you.